Welcome to Short and Hangover, Legal Dictation number 9 for various court exams. Get ready? Start. The court heard a petition by the Federation of Retail Traders Welfare Association seeking action against e-commerce dealers violating lockdown norms and waiver of property tax, renewal fees, all license fees, etc. for the entire lockdown period from March 23, 2020 till the lockdown continues. In the plea filed through Advocate Dipesh Siroya, the Federation cited heavy losses, financial instability, and mass unemployment faced by the retailers dealing in non essential items as a direct consequence of the COVID 19 pandemic and the lockdown. There are 13 lakh retailers with 45 lakh employees, the plea notes. Stop para. It is the grievance of the Petitioner Association, which is Federation of Retail Traders Welfare Association, that though various incentives are offered to hawkers and others during the pandemic crisis by the state government, no such packages has been announced for the retail traders. The petitioner has also made a separate representation to the municipal corporation for waiver of various taxes and for various exemptions. By letter dated 6th May 2021, the municipal corporation has informed the petitioner that the proposal for cancellation of licenses issued under section 313 subsection 1 B C has been submitted to the legal department for their opinion and the same is awaited. Regarding waiving of license fees for signboard license for name board bracket non-commercial, no directives have been received from competent authority by the Superintendent of Licenses, Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, and thus the request of the petitioner cannot be considered at this juncture. Stop para. One of the major grievances of the petitioner is that though under various SOPs issued by the state of Maharashtra, including last SOP dated 13th April 2021 and more particularly in clause 16, e-commerce is permitted only for supply of essential goods and services. Various suppliers are supplying non-essential services also in gross violation of the said SOP dated 13th April 2021. It is the case of the petitioner that though this violation is brought to the notice of the state government, no action has been taken till date to stop this ongoing violation. Stop para. State government is directed to file affidavit within 2 weeks from today and to indicate as to whether any incentives which were offered to the hawkers due to their sufferings during pandemic can be offered to the retail traders. Stop para. The state government will also indicate the steps already taken or would be taken against those dealers for supplying various non-essential items in violation of clause 16 of the SOP dated 13th April 2021, if any. We direct that if the state government finds any such violation, an action shall be immediately taken against those dealers and to stop such violation. Municipal corporation is directed to file an affidavit and shall indicate the steps taken by the municipal corporation and proposed to be taken pursuant to the representation made by the petitioner regarding waiver of license fees and for other exemptions slash concessions sought by the members of the petitioner association. Such affidavit in reply shall be filed within 2 weeks from today with a copy to be served upon the petitioner's advocate simultaneously. Rejoinder, if any, shall be filed within 1 week thereafter with a copy to be served upon the respondent's advocates simultaneously. Stop. Hope you like the dictation. If you like the dictation, please like, subscribe, share with others, press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.